we have self-love, we have a set of values that we commit to. Values that comes from the heart and soul. These values cannot be compromised because of your boundaries around your principles and values. That keeps you from seeking approval from others. For me, I value honor, respect, my purpose, and peace. And since they are very, very important to me, they are my priority. You see, there's a difference between a boy and a man. A boy have the need to seek for validation and approval, no matter how much it goes against their morals. They can't stand on their principles and they have shaky values. They are more than willing to put others' priority first while they're angry inside. But a man stands on business. They will not compromise their values for friends, girls, or anybody around them. To gain respect from women, your friends, and society, it's not about how much money you have or your status. You gain respect from people based on whether you can be a man or not, whether you can tell them no, whether you can put them back in line when they're out of line, whether you are outspoken, whether you prioritize what's important to you. When you do this, people will respect you. And I'd rather people respect me than like me. Don't get me wrong, you need to be a likable person, but not everybody needs to like you. You have no business trying to make somebody who does not share the same value as you like you. Become honest, charismatic, outspoken, and stay on your purpose, and they'll respect you anyway, even if they do not say it. Even with girls, I don't want you to become a romance idealist. You may think she's a good girl and y'all going to have kids and grow old together, but your heart is going to get broken if you don't listen. No matter who it is, no matter how innocent they may look, they will take advantage of you being the nice guy. Friends or girls, it doesn't matter. No matter who it is, how much money you have, how much status you have, any girl will test you. They will check how much they can get away with and if you have any backbone. And the minute you compromise those, you show you don't have backbone and you let her get away with stuff and you just let her walk all over you, is the minute you lose her. You lose all of her respect and there's nothing you can do to gain that back. Nobody ever respects somebody they can walk all over. And think about it, right? If your girl can walk all over you, in her mind, anybody can walk all over you. That's the same thing with your friends. If they can walk all over you, that means you're not capable of backing them up if they're in danger. You're a bitch, and we don't want that around here. After getting this mindset, whether I have other girls or not, whether she pulls away or not, is none of my business because I'm focusing on my purpose and my purpose is my priority. I won't get on my knees and beg nobody. I won't text nobody, what are we? Why are you ignoring me? Why are you leaving me on read? Please give me another chance. You have to love yourself so much that your priorities come first. You're too busy building the life you want to even notice she stopped texting you. She'll come back later with the "you don't even care about me anymore. What are we doing for the rest of the week?" So I say all this to say, you really need to start focusing on yourself. Be so in love with your craft that everything else comes second. I'm not about to chase her because I'm too busy chasing my dreams. I'm not chasing her no matter how pretty she looks, no matter how much I cared about her, because my self-respect, my dignity, my goals, my purpose comes first. I won't make that sacrifice. I won't sacrifice my values, my moral, or nobody, no matter how much I loved her. She won't like it, but she will respect you for that. And congratulations if you made it this far. Many men are so weak-minded that they cannot sit through a video that's supposed to help them. I've started a movement, the Take Action movement. We are a group of men who are dedicated to change our lives and conquer life. We are taking action every day to become the best versions of ourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. And welcome to the tribe, boys. Grab your spear over there. All right, back to the video. The moment you sacrifice your values, your respect, your dignity, she loses all respect for you as a man. She only sees a boy now, so eventually she will leave. When you sacrifice all these things for other people, they take full advantage, whether it's friends or family. I don't want you as my friend if I can't speak my mind. I don't want you as my girl if I have to sacrifice my morals. I'm not wasting my time on anyone, boy. When I wake up, I have to worry about my business, my work, my family, this YouTube channel, my physical health, my mental health, my community. If I was worried about girls, if I was worried about what other people think of me, I'd never get this far in the last 3 years. So stop being the nice guy. Stop sacrificing your purpose for others so you can finally start living. Starting today, I want you to take action. Write down your plan, your goals. What are your values? Write down what you need to do to accomplish them. Follow your interests and goals intentionally and just focus. Stop focusing on the outcome. Stop focusing on things you cannot change. And in the process, always keep in mind that your purpose, your values comes first. Remember, stay consistent and stay disciplined. And again, subscribe, you bastards.